What's up YouTube, Vik-Werks checking in another video for the Mark V R32. So yeah, dog bones, as mentioned, shot. See the cuts right there, and that's the top piece of it. And the bottom piece actually seemed pretty good. Obviously that 034 was actually holding it. I think they did a revision on the 034. Don't quote me on that. And I actually used Schwaben's tool of the awesome expensive tool they sell in the UK. That VAS tool, and it seemed to work. I only needed just to basically get it off, so if somebody wants to purchase it, hit me up on the comments below and go from there. Alright guys, talk to you Lynn, and thanks for checking in. We'll continue on the progress with the VF Engineering dog bone mount and go from that point and start installing racing line sway bar, as well as the Okayama bar that sits right there. That should pretty much sit right around this particular area here and here. And obviously I got to remove the Schwaben tool off and go from there. I didn't use the bracket tight spot in there for the Mark V, and this bolt here, even though I've dropped the subframe completely, and pretty much go from there. Alright guys, thanks for checking in.